reached the electronics and speaker components as well. At this point, simply cleaning the exterior clearly isn't enough. Almost everything inside needs attention. The damaged speaker drivers are taken apart first. Their original cones are badly deteriorated, so the ruined material is carefully peeled away from the metal frames. What remains looks rough, but the important metal structure underneath may still be reusable after enough cleaning. A cleaning solution and stiff brush begin attacking the stubborn contamination, breaking loose material that has bonded to the speaker frame. For the corrosion that won't come off by hand, a rotary wire brush takes over, stripping the surface much more aggressively.